welcome once again. In this particular video, we're going to learn how we can use our WhatsApp to create an event, to schedule an event. Maybe we have an occasion or we're planning for something, probably scheduling an event for your boss in your working place or scheduling an event for people you are assisting. So all you need to do, as long as there's a WhatsApp and every other person belong to that WhatsApp. So all you need to do is to click on the WhatsApp group. So when you're there, what you need to do, you come to this attachment button here, you click on it. So you're going to see all other options where you have to make use of, where we have contact and the rest. So all you need to do is click on event because you want to create an event and want to schedule an event. So it's the purpose of this video. So the first thing you have to do is the name of the event. Let's say get together, get together, okay, get together, get together in your working place. Okay, so description is optional, it's good for you. Okay, so you can write anything there. So here you have to know the date of that particular um event. Okay, you write the date, either probably on the on Monday or on 2025. You just write it and you put it there, you click on OK, and here the time this event is gonna start. Okay, 5 o'clock or something. Just put it there, just play around it. So then the end date, when it's going to start. So but for the course of this particular video, we are not going to put the end date because it's just a single day event. So had it been just scheduling something that has physical date and time, you can equally put it, which is very. Then here you write the location. Is it Zoom or physical location? Probably FCT or something. FCT, Ego Square. FCT, Ego Square, okay. So then here you can equally create a WhatsApp link that all your group member can equally join, and those who are not even on the group, they can equally join. So you can create it like this. If it's going to be a video get together, a video meeting, you can click on video, and it's going to be a voice something where everything that will have to add their opinions, you click on voice and you send. Okay, and if you want to create the link for it, you can call it send like this, and everybody in the platform will receive it. And so that is how to create an event using your WhatsApp platform. Thank you.